That looks fantastic.
I'm just hot.
I know it is. Well, we'll have to just fan ourselves up here. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Nikki Patrick from Radio Jackie's weekday breakfast show. You can also find me on a Sunday night on BBC Sussex and BBC Surrey, where I have a supper club as well. So very food orientated. Now, delighted to introduce, you've got Patti Sloley here with you today. Now, Patti, Ghana is your food of choice, isn't it?
Ghana is my home country. Ghana is my heart. Ghana is my everything. And today, I'm going to rock this for you. You're going to taste some more Ghanaian food. She's eating the jollof rice. I've got plantain and beans. You're going to love it. Just going to love it.
Looking forward to it. So that's what you're making for us. Me that tip. And I've been doing it ever since, because I do really like very hot food, but
fantastic.
Sometimes when I'm cooking for people that don't, this is my tip now. I always go, Patti taught me this. I was like, here's my chilli.
Fabulous. Now in go the beans. Now this is a tin of black eye beans. You can get it in the supermarket. You get 45p a tin. You can feed a family of 3-4 on it for supper. You can top your jacket potato with this dish.
Oh, that's a good idea.
I remember a couple coming to the Novelli Academy, quite elderly, and they called me over, Patti, can I have a word? And I thought, oh, something's gone wrong. And they said, you know your black eye bean dish on the internet? I said, it says, oh, we've been having it for 3 months, it's gorgeous, jacket potato. I thought, wow, but I never. You can have it with rice, you can have it with whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to need a little bit of hot water. Amy, have some hot water for me. I'm going to crush the beans a little bit.
Are you getting the wafts?
Is it wafting it off?
Coming across.
Who would like to come up here and smell this? I need a volunteer.
You're very welcome to if you want to.
Yes, somebody come up. Please do.
That looks beautiful. Now, how long will you cook this for now? We've got the beans.
Do you know,
in.
this is almost done. I just like it to sit a little bit till the oil separates from it.
Doesn't that smell good?
Fantastic. Where are you from?
My mum's from Trinidad, my dad's from Barbados.
Fantastic.
So I can smell the approval powder.
Yes, okay.
I can smell the Scotch bonnet, enhancing it.
That's it.
Beautiful.
Girl, I love you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, we should give that a little bit of a stir.
Wow, that looks good.
This is your
Oh, so you've joined it all together in here?
Yes, I mix it all up.
Brilliant.
I used to do this thing where I get the beans and the plantain, and people would run out of the plantain and people didn't get any, and it's all in the mix because you're going to have it in the mix anyway.
Oh,
and
that
it's
looks
lovely.
Amazing. Now, if you made a massive batch of this, could you freeze this as well?
Easy, easy. I mean, you know the tomato sauce, I batch cook that.
Yeah.
And you put that in the freezer. So you can do you know, every country's got an egg dish. We do the tomato sauce, we just crack eggs into it, like the shashushka.
Oh, fantastic.
And the huevos rancheros by the Mexicans,
Yeah.
same thing. We do. It's served.
Wow, thank you, Patti. That's amazing. Now,
And I've got some bacon. I've got some crispy bacon, so there's a scattering of crispy bacon just to garnish it. And then one other thing. We have gari. The Caribbeans call it bami. And it's cassava. People say, oh, I've never had cassava. If you've had tapioca, you've had cassava. So these are cassava grains. And I've got the white and the yellow. So I'm going to give it a little colour. I call it the African parmesan.
is there much difference in taste between the white and the yellow?
No, not really. It's just the colour.
It's a beautiful golden colour, isn't it?
Gorgeous. I'm going to put a little bit of the white as well. Just a little bit.
Oh, it looks fabulous.
Nikki, I think you should taste.
Oh, I'd love to. I will grab one of these kind of forks.
If she doesn't fall over, she's okay.
That plantain is so beautiful. It's so soft and amazing.
Do you know, children love it. Grandma loves it. Mummy loves it. Daddy loves it. Everybody loves it. Teenagers. In Ghana, we've got what we call keluli. In the evenings, you'll find a woman frying the plantain, nice big skillet, and after the movie or before the movie, it's like the equivalent of fish and chips, really. You know, in newspaper, and you're eating your.
But a lot
keluli.
healthier.
Yeah, very healthy. Very healthy.
Are divine. They're absolutely divine. But I love the way that, because you bake the plantain in the oven, you get that nice crispiness around the edges as well. That is heavenly.
This is so nice. Talk amongst yourselves.